Question number 1. The temperature of the body is option A 0 degree, option B 37, option C room temperature, and option D temperature of the place where it is kept. And the answer is D. Question number 2. Copper can be converted into gold by option A artificial radioactivity, option B heating, option C electroplating, option D chemical reaction. And the answer is A artificial radioactivity. Question number 3. The three elements needed for healthy growth of plants are option A NPK, option B NCP, option C NK, and option D NSP. And the answer is A NPK. Question number 4. Clocks which moves with the velocity comparable with the velocity of light run option A fast, option B slow, option C equal to the velocity of light, and option D with zero velocity. And the answer is D with zero velocity. Question number 5. Max Planck received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1918 for his discovery of option A electron, option B energy quanta, option C photon, and option D positron. And the answer is B energy quanta. Question number 6. Bronze medal is made up of metals option A copper nickel, option B copper tin, option C copper silver, and option D copper zinc. And the answer is B copper tin. Question number 7. Addison's disease is caused by the excessive secretion of option A antidiuretic hormone, option B luteinizing hormone, option C melanophore stimulating hormone, and option D adrenocorticotropic hormone. And the answer is D. Question number 8. Development of calf muscles in ladies who wear high heels is a common example of option A natural selection, option B inheritance of acquired character, option C use and disuse of organ, and option D artificial selection. And the answer is B inheritance of acquired character. Question number 9. Black holes refer to option A hole occurring in heavenly bodies, option B bright spot on the sun, option C collapsing objects of high density, and option D none of these. And the answer is D none of these. Question number 10. Hummingbird belongs to a category called option A ectotherm, option B endotherm, option C exotherm, and option D heterotherm. And the answer is B endotherm. Question number 11. The most splendid and the most magnificent constellation on the sky is option A Orion, option B Columbia, option C Canis Major, and option D Taurus. And the answer is A Orion. Question number 12. Human population growth is greatest in developing countries because option A the birth rate is high in developing countries, option B the death rate is high in developing countries, option C much of population has already reached the child bearing age, and option D most of the world's population lives in industrialized countries. And the answer is A. Question number 13. Which woody raw material is used for the manufacture of paper pulp? Option A cotton, option B poplar, option C bagasse, and option D rice straw. And the answer is B, poplar. Question number 14. Rectified spirit contains alcohol about option A 80%, option B 95%, option C 70%, and option D 85%. And the answer is B, 95%. Question number 15. Which of the following elements is not present abundantly in earth crust? Option A, silicon, option B, radium, option C, aluminium, and option D, carbon. And the answer is B, radium. Question number 21. Lockjaw, i.e. difficulty in opening mouth, is a symptom of option A, cholera, option B, plague, option C, tetanus, and option D, diphtheria. And the answer is C, tetanus. 22. Which of the following pairs is incorrect? Option A, plague rats, option B, rabies dog, option C, tapeworm pig, and option D, poliomyelitis monkey. And the answer is poliomyelitis monkey. असल में ये कुछ बीमारियां हैं और 7 एनिमल्स हैं और पूछा ये गया है कि कौन सी बीमारी कौन से एनिमल से बिलोंग करती है। प्लेग बीमारी चूहों में ही पाई जाती है जिसमें कुछ ये इस तरह के दिखने लग जाते हैं और इनकी बॉडी से स्किन उतरना स्टार्ट हो जाती है। रेबीज ये बीमारी भी कुत्तों से ही बिलोंग करती है तो ये भी ठीक आंसर है। इस बीमारी में कुत्ता हर किसी को काटने को दौड़ता है। टेपवर्म बीमारी भी पिग्स की है जिसमें इसके पेट के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा कीड़े होते हैं और ये बीमारी इंसानों में भी शिफ्ट हो सकती है। तो रॉन्ग आंसर है पोलियोमाइलाइटिस जो कि इंसानों की बीमारी है ना कि मंकीज़ की। इसमें इंसानी जिस्म के कुछ मसल्स वीक रह जाते हैं। 23. ऑर्बिटल पीरियड ऑफ द प्लैनेट मर्करी अराउंड द सन। ऑप्शन ए 88 डेज, ऑप्शन बी 365 days, option C 2 years, and option D 98 days. And the answer is A 88 days. ज़मीन सूरज के गिर्द अपना चक्कर 365 दिनों में मुकम्मल करती है जबकि इसके मुकाबले में मरकरी सिर्फ 88 डेज में मुकम्मल कर लेता है जो कि 3 मंथ से भी कम है। 24. रिकेट्स इज अ डिसीज ऑफ ऑप्शन ए बोन्स, ऑप्शन बी टिश्यू, option C muscles, and option D blood. And the answer is A bones. इस बीमारी में टांगे कुछ यूं टेढ़ी होती हैं। 25. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A pulmonary artery carries pure blood, option B pulmonary artery carries impure blood, option C pulmonary vein carries impure blood, and option D none of these. And the answer is B pulmonary artery carries impure blood. इसमें ये आपके कुछ ऐसे ब्लड सेल्स जिनमें ऑक्सीजन की मिकदार कम होती है इनको लंग्स में ले जाता है जहां ऑक्सीजन ब्लड के साथ मिक्स हो रही होती है। 26. लंग्स आर सिचुएटेड इन द ऑप्शन ए एब्डोमिनल कैविटी, ऑप्शन बी पेरिकार्डियल कैविटी, ऑप्शन सी बकल कैविटी, एंड ऑप्शन डी thoracic cavity. And the answer is D thoracic cavity. ये रहे lungs और ये पूरा पार्ट कहलाता है thoracic cavity. 27. The human cell contains option A 44 chromosomes, option B 48 chromosomes, option C 46 chromosomes, and option D 23 chromosomes. And the answer is C 46 chromosomes. 28. Enzymes help in option A respiration, option B digestion of food, option C immune system, and option D reproduction. And the answer is digestion of food. 29. Food is normally digested in the option A liver, option B stomach, option C small intestines, option D large intestines. And the answer is C. Small intestines. 30. Myopia is a disease connected with option A. Ears, option B. Eyes, option C. Lungs, and option D. Brain. And the answer is B. Eyes. 31. Leukemia is a disease of option A. Lungs, option B. Blood, option C. Skin, and option D. Nervous. And the answer is B. Blood. इस बीमारी में आपकी स्किन पर कुछ इस तरह के निशानात बन जाते हैं। असल में ये ब्लड की बीमारी है जिसमें आपके रेड ब्लड सेल्स की निस्बत वाइट ब्लड सेल्स बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं। 32. Short sightedness can be corrected by using option A. Convex lens, option B. Concave lens, option C. Convex concave lens, and option D. Concave convex lens. And the answer is B. Concave lens. Here you can see the shape of concave lens. 33. Trachoma is a disease of option A. Liver, option B. Eyes, option C. Lungs, and option D. Kidneys. And the answer is B. Eyes. 34. Which of the following is most elastic? Option A. Steel, option B. Rubber, option C. Glass, and option D. Sponge. And the answer is A. Steel. You can also see the graph. 35. Typhoid and cholera means hazard are typical examples of option A. Infectious disease, option B. Airborne disease, option C. Waterborne disease, and option D. None of these. And the answer is C. Waterborne disease. जी हाँ, गंदा पानी पीने से आपको टाइफाइड और हैजा जैसी बीमारी हो जाती है। 36. Pyorrhea is a disease of option A. Nose, option B. Germs, option C. Heart, and option D. Lungs. And the answer is B. Germs. You can see the difference between healthy germs and diseased germs. 37. Lack of what causes diabetes? Option A. Sugar, option B. Insulin, option C. Calcium, and option D. Vitamins. And the answer is B. Insulin. 38. Appendix is a part of option A. Small intestine, option B. Large intestine, option C. Stomach, and option D. Liver. And the answer is B. Large intestine. इंसानों में असल जो अपेंडिक्स की दर्द स्टार्ट हो जाती है और ऑपरेशन के बाद जो अपेंडिक्स निकाली जाती है वो असल में ये ब्लैक पार्ट रिमूव करते हैं। 39. Bronze is an alloy of option A. Copper and zinc, option B. Tin and zinc, option C. Copper and tin, and option D. Iron and zinc. And the answer is C. Copper and tin. 40. Bronchitis is a disease of which of the following organs? Option A. Blood, option B. Bladder, option C. Liver, and option D. Respiratory tract. And the answer is D. Respiratory tract. (41) Water is heated in a kettle. The inside water is heated by convection. A person sitting near the fire receives heat by option A. Conduction, option B. Convection, option C. Radiation, and option D. Reflection. And the answer is C. Radiation. 42. Hygrometer is used for measuring the option A. Speed of sound, option B. Density of milk, option C humidity of air, and option D specific gravity of liquids. And the answer is C, humidity of air. 43. The measurement of rainfall is made by an instrument known as option A hydrometer, option B barometer, option C hygrometer, and option D none of these. And the answer is D, none of these. The right answer is precipitation gauges. You can also see in diagrams how it works. 44. Light year is a unit of option A distance, option B time period, option C light intensity, and option D time. And the answer is A, distance. 45. Three elements needed for the healthy growth of plants are option A NPK, option B NCP, option C NKC, and option D NSP. And the answer is A, NPK. And NPK stands for nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. 46. Copper can be converted into gold by option A heating, option B artificial radioactivity, option C electroplating, and option D chemical reaction. And the answer is B, artificial radioactivity. इसी वजह से एक वक्त आया जब ये 1 रुपए का सिक्का 200 से भी ज्यादा प्राइस में पाकिस्तान में बिकने लगा, जिसकी वजह से गवर्नमेंट को इस सिक्के को बंद करना पड़ा और न्यू सिक्का जो कि प्लास्टिक मटेरियल से बना हुआ था इसको लॉन्च किया। 47. In winter, an iron pipe feel colder than a wooden window. This is because wood is option A conductor, option B non-conductor, option C semiconductor, and option D not a solid while iron is a solid. And the answer is B, non-conductor. 48. Deficiency of following vitamin decreases hemoglobin production. Option A biotin, option B thiamine, option C niacin, and option D pyridoxine. And the answer is D, pyridoxine. 49. It is possible to recognize a person in dark by simply hearing his unique voice. It is because of the option A pitch, option B frequency, option C time period, and option D quality. And the answer is D, quality. 50. Chemical name of vinegar is option A sodium nitrate, option B dilute acetic acid, option C chloride of lime, and option D calcium. And the answer is B, dilute acetic acid. 51. A 6 feet tall lady wants to see her full image in a plane mirror. The minimum length of mirror will be option A 6 feet, option B 12 feet, option C 4 feet, and option D 3 feet. And the answer is D, 3 feet. 52. The principle used in radar is the same as that of sonar. In radar we use radio waves, whereas in sonar we use option A red waves, option B infrared waves, option C ultrasonic, and option D supersonic. And the answer is C, ultrasonic. 53. Dry ices. Option A methane hydrate, option B liquid nitrogen, option C solid carbon dioxide, and option D frozen water. And the answer is C, solid carbon dioxide. 54. Parsec is a unit of option A energy, option B time, option C power, and option D distance. And the answer is D. Distance. 55. German silver is an alloy of option A. Zn plus Ni, option B. Cu plus Zn, option C. Cu plus Ni, and option D. Cu plus Sn. And the answer is B. Cu plus Zn. Cu used for copper plus Z used for zinc and N used for nickel. 56. The continent Antarctica lies at the option A. North Pole, option B. South Pole, option C. Middle of the earth, and option D. Equator. And the answer is B. South Pole. 57. One of the countries through which equator passes is option A. Kenya, option B. Malaysia, option C. Malta, and option D. Pakistan. And the answer is A. Kenya. 58. Lactometer is a type of hydrometer which is used to measure the specific gravity of option A. Honey, option B. Water, option C. Milk, and option D. Olive oil. And the answer is C. Milk. 59. Cusick is a unit of option A. Area, option B. Time, option C. Distance, and option D. None of these. And the answer is D. None of these. 60. The deepest place on the earth is option A. Trench, option B. Mariana Trench, option C. Mangrove, and option D. Grove. And the answer is B. Mariana Trench. How many answers did you get right? Please let me know in the comment section. Hope guys you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.